Someone who is selling any goods using an e-commerce portal or making your supplies to any government organization of more than rupees 2.5 lakh, then this video is for you. Getting details of monthly TCS TDS credit can be difficult for you. You do not need to face hassle of checking monthly TCS TDS credit anymore. First, let me tell you what is TCS credit and TDS credit. If you're selling anything on e-commerce portal like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., they deduct 1% of your sales as TCS, tax collected at source, and that TCS get credited in your TCS ledger. And TDS, tax deducted at source, credit arises when you make any supplies to government which is of more than rupees 2.5 lakhs, and government deduct 2% of the amount. With MyGST Refund, you can now check these credits with MyGST Refund platform in no time. Welcome to MyGST Refund platform. Just visit mygstrefund.com. Click on login, enter your login details if you are an existing user, or register if you are a new user. Go to setup option and add business details. Go to GST Refund Calculator, choose GSTIN, choose TCS TDS as refund type, select period of which you want to get the report of TCS TDS credit. Download the report and check your eligible refund amount. You will get a PDF report with a summary of refund amount and an Excel report for detailed report of TCS TDS credit. So, what are you waiting for? Visit mygstrefund.com and know your eligible GST refund. Do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.